In our hyper-connected world, communication apps like WhatsApp have become lifelines. We rely on them for everything from casual chats with friends to sensitive business discussions. This convenience, however, comes with risks. As our digital lives expand, so do the opportunities for hackers to exploit vulnerabilities. WhatsApp, despite its robust security features, is not immune to these threats. The vast amount of personal data we share on WhatsApp makes it an attractive target for cybercriminals. From private conversations to shared photos and videos, our digital footprints can be exploited if they fall into the wrong hands. While WhatsApp has implemented robust security measures, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks and take proactive steps to protect ourselves. One of WhatsApp's key security features is end-to-end encryption. But what does this actually mean? Imagine sending a letter in a locked box. Only the recipient with the key can open it and read the message inside. That's essentially how end-to-end encryption works. Your messages are encrypted on your device before being sent and can only be decrypted by the recipient's device. This means that even WhatsApp itself cannot access the content of your conversations. While this doesn't make WhatsApp 100% unhackable, it significantly raises the bar for potential attackers. Despite the robust security of end-to-end encryption, hackers have developed sophisticated methods to target WhatsApp users. One common method is phishing, where attackers impersonate legitimate entities to trick users into revealing sensitive information. Imagine receiving a message claiming to be from WhatsApp, asking you to click on a link to verify your account. Clicking on such links could lead to fake websites designed to steal your login credential. Another tactic is using spyware, malicious software that can be secretly installed on your device, giving hackers access to your WhatsApp data. This can happen through malicious links or infected apps downloaded from untrusted sources. Hackers often exploit the weakest link in the security chain, us. Social engineering attacks prey on human psychology to manipulate individuals into giving up sensitive information. Imagine receiving a call from someone claiming to be from WhatsApp support, asking for your account details to resolve a technical issue. They might sound convincing and create a sense of urgency to pressure you into complying. Remember, legitimate companies will never ask for your personal information over the phone or via unsolicited messages. Always verify the source before sharing any sensitive data. Section 5. Malware, the silent intruder. Malware, short for malicious software, is a catch-all term for any software designed to harm your device or steal your information. It can take many forms, from viruses and worms to trojans and ransomware. One common way malware infects devices is through malicious links sent via email, SMS, or even WhatsApp messages. These links might promise something enticing like a free download or access to exclusive content, but clicking on them can unknowingly install malware on your device. Once installed, malware can operate in the background, stealing your data, spying on your activity, or even taking control of your device. Section 6. The Cloud Conundrum, Backup Risks and Protection. Cloud backups are a convenient way to ensure you don't lose your WhatsApp data. However, they also introduce potential security risks. If your cloud account is compromised, hackers could gain access to your backed up WhatsApp data, including messages and media files. To mitigate this risk, it's crucial to enable two-factor authentication for your cloud account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a unique code from your phone, in addition to your password, to log in. Additionally, be cautious about which cloud storage provider you choose and opt for those with robust security features and a strong track record. Section 7. Public Wi-Fi, a hacker's playground. Public Wi-Fi networks, while convenient, are often unsecured. This means that your internet traffic is not encrypted, making it easy for hackers to intercept your data. Imagine connecting to a public Wi-Fi network at a cafe and sending sensitive information via WhatsApp. A hacker on the same network could potentially snoop on your communication and gain access to your data. To protect yourself, Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities like online banking or accessing confidential information. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a VPN or virtual private network. Section 8. Staying safe. Practical tips for WhatsApp security. Protecting yourself from WhatsApp hacking attempts requires a combination of awareness, vigilance, and proactive security measures. First and foremost, enable two-factor authentication for your WhatsApp account. This simple step adds an extra layer of security, making it significantly harder for hackers to gain unauthorized access. Next, be wary of suspicious messages, links, or calls that seem too good to be true or ask for your personal information. Verify the source before clicking on any links or providing sensitive data. Regularly update your WhatsApp app to ensure you have the latest security patches. Section 9. Protecting your digital life, a shared responsibility. In today's digital landscape, protecting our privacy and security is a shared responsibility. While companies like WhatsApp continue to strengthen their security measures, we as users must also play an active role in safeguarding our information. By staying informed about potential threats, adopting safe online practices, and remaining vigilant, we can create a safer digital environment for ourselves and others. Remember, every click, every download, every piece of information we share online leaves a digital footprint. By making informed choices and prioritizing security, we can navigate the digital world with greater confidence and protect our privacy in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity.